Find or read reviews that people are talking about. THINKWORK, 8000 PSI Pistol Grip Grease Gun Kit. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. Adjustable stroke handle. Allows use for high pressure / flow and high volume air applications and large projects. Max stroke, drive 1 ounces or 30 milliliters, grease in just 24 presses, 3x faster than standard guns for trucks and excavators. Min stroke, effort saving and reduces grease waste by 40%, ideal for bearings and expensive synthetic greases. 360 degrees tight space adapter, with only 0.53 inches diameter coupler and 18 inches spring hose, this grease gun easily accesses mechanical crevices, example ball head / drive shaft, where traditional tools cannot reach. The swivel joint allows the gun head to rotate freely 360 degrees while connected. It also absorbs torque through its own rotation, eliminating hose stress and extending hose life. Powerful performance. THINKWORK grease guns are made of high-strength steel. High-pressure resistant O-rings keep grease from leaking, and the grease gun has been tested to a maximum working pressure of 8000 psi for automotive, marine, and industrial lubrication needs, and is designed for efficient lubrication. 3 filling methods: cold-drawn steel canister combined with non-slip rubber sleeve and T-handle, cartridge loading, bulk loading, suction loading can be easily realized. Designed to meet every job need. Easy to operate. Ergonomic pistol grip design allows for one-handed operation, reinforced spring pushes all air and grease to the top, and special die-cast aluminum head and exhaust valve allows for easy loading and venting of trapped air. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.